Did you know that some of the biggest home insurance companies like State Farm, Allstate, and USAA deny nearly half of their claims? Yep, half. And that's just the start of the industry secrets that we are exposing today. So stay tuned to learn how to protect yourself and how Trailstone can help you. I'm Tia from Trailstone, and I'm here to reveal the 5 biggest problems with home insurance that your provider doesn't want you to know. So let's be real, home insurance should be simple, right? You pay your premium, and if something happens, your insurer covers it. But unfortunately, that's not how it actually works most of the time. So today I'm breaking down 5 major issues the big insurers don't want you to know about, and most importantly, what you can do about it. So let's start with something that will blow your mind. According to Weiss ratings, major insurance companies denied nearly half of all homeowner claims in 2023. And listen to this. Farmers Insurance Exchange denied 49.7% of claims. USAA denied 48% of claims. Allstate denied 47.1% of claims. And just think about that. Almost half of people filing claims after disasters, fires, or floods are actually left with nothing. So that means if you're counting on your insurance company to have your back, you might want to have a plan B. At Trailstone, we work with independent providers to make sure you get the best chance of approval when you actually need your coverage. Next, do you ever feel like your insurance premium skyrockets every year for no apparent reason? Well, you're not alone. Insurance.com reports that home insurance premiums jumped by 11.3% in 2023, but some companies were actually even worse. Farmers raised rates by 19.4%. Liberty Mutual hiked premiums by 17.2%. And that's actually way more than inflation. But here's the kicker. Your risk didn't necessarily increase, just their costs and profits did. So don't fall for their advertising. Just because they advertise they have the best rates doesn't mean they actually do. So if you're fed up, call my team. They'll help you find competitive pricing from multiple providers so that you're not stuck with whatever your big box insurer decides to charge you. And here's the third big problem. If you live in an area prone to wildfires, hurricanes, or any other disasters, your insurance company might just drop you. National Mortgage News found that insurers pulled out of high-risk areas entirely, leaving thousands of homeowners without coverage. And even worse, State Farm non-renewed 72,000 homeowner policies in California and is non-renewing policies if you've had 2 or more claims in the last 3 years. That's right. Instead of adjusting coverage, they just cut and run when things get risky. But we don't do that at Trailstone. We partner with regional providers who specialize in high-risk areas, so you always have options. Moving on to our 4th big problem, have you ever tried reading your policy cover to cover? It's like decoding ancient hieroglyphics. The big box insurance companies thrive on complexity because if you don't understand your policy, you don't know what's covered or what's not covered. And when you actually need help, good luck. Many companies bury key details and avoid clear communication. Not to mention, most big box companies use call centers, causing massive hold times and leaving you frustrated. That's why at Trailstone, we have dedicated account managers, so we break down policies in plain English so that you know exactly what you're paying for. And lastly, did you know that your credit score, job, even your zip code can increase your insurance rates? Some insurers charge more based on factors that have absolutely nothing to do with your home. This practice disproportionately impacts low-income and minority communities, raising serious ethical concerns. At Trailstone, we don't let bad algorithms dictate your price. We work with more than 40 insurance companies, forcing them to compete for your business. All right, so we've exposed 5 major problems in the home insurance industry, but now what? Here's what you can do. Check your current policy, make sure you're not getting overcharged or undercovered, compare options, don't just stick with one provider out of habit, and talk to an independent agent like us at Trailstone. We're not tied to one company, which means we work for you, not the insurance giants. So click the link below to get a free policy review, and let's make sure you have the right coverage at the right price. Thanks for watching.